Recently, someone called me about a fall they had in a North Carolina store and wanted to know if I could help them. This particular individual called me, and the first thing they said is, I didn't really understand how badly hurt I was, and somebody called me from the store and took a recorded statement. When I gave the recorded statement, I didn't know how serious this recorded statement was. I didn't understand everything about how much research would go into a claim after my recorded statement, and I gave the recorded statement without contacting an experienced North Carolina personal injury attorney. That person's statement didn't turn out so well as you might can imagine, but it doesn't end there. The next thing that person did is they delayed going and getting treatment, and later on, when their foot wouldn't get well and started swelling more and more, they finally went a month and a half later and sought treatment. When they did, they ended up having x-rays taken, and they learned that they had had a fracture in their foot that was getting worse as time went on. Yet, the gap between when they fell and when they actually sought treatment was 6 weeks. Again, when you wait that long, that person is going to be accused of not really hurting their foot when they fell, but hurting it somewhere else and trying to blame their injury on the store when it hurt somewhere else. They didn't go and seek medical attention timely. Third, they didn't seek an attorney that was willing to go to court, and an attorney that goes to court on a regular basis. They didn't seek an experienced North Carolina trial lawyer. As a result, their case wasn't developed in the fashion that it really needed to be. In fact, they waited to find an attorney, and when they waited, they had already made the mistakes of giving a recorded statement and not seeking immediate medical attention. Finally, they realized the attorney they had was not the kind of attorney that would go to court, and they gave me a call and they said, I understand you're the kind of attorney that will go to court and try your case. Unfortunately though, I looked at the case and I looked at the other cases that I had, and I said, well, we've got 3 mistakes that were made in this case, and I've got 4 other cases where those folks didn't make those mistakes. I'm not going to be able to take this case because I need to work on the cases where people didn't make the mistakes, where people called me before they gave a recorded statement, where people listened to me when I said, go get your medical attention right away, and where people came to me, someone who's willing to take their case to court. And I was able to begin shaping their case right after their injury. So if you have been injured and you are willing to make the effort and do the things that need to be done that are priority, call my office and let me help you before you make the mistakes that my other friend made and I had to turn that case down. Call my office. We'll get to working on your case and we'll get you going in the right direction pronto. Call us. We're here to help you.